Have you ever wondered what it would be like to dedicate your life to the pursuit of spiritual truth? To abandon the mundane and seek the divine? One man who did just that was Swami Vivekananda, a pivotal figure in the history of modern spirituality. Born as Narendra Nath Datta on a chilly winter day of January 12, 1863, in the bustling city of Kolkata, India, he belonged to a well-to-do family that fostered intellectual curiosity. A prodigious child, Narendra excelled in music, gymnastics, and academics, his mind always eager to delve into the realms of Western philosophy and history. As he grew older, a burning question began to consume him: the existence of God. He sought answers from numerous spiritual leaders but found no satisfaction. That is, until he met Sri Ramakrishna. Under Ramakrishna's guidance, Narendra experienced a profound spiritual awakening, a realization of the divine that would change his life forever. Following his spiritual master's death, he embraced the monastic life, becoming Swami Vivekananda. In 1893, on an international stage at the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago, Vivekananda delivered a speech that won the hearts of the audience. He spoke of religious acceptance and the importance of interfaith dialogue. His message resonated, leading to a series of lectures across the United States and England, spreading Hindu philosophy and promoting religious acceptance. Returning to India, he founded the Ramakrishna Math and Mission, an organization dedicated to the service of humanity and spiritual teachings. He held a deep belief in the potential of the youth, urging them to arise, awake, and stop, not until the goal is reached. Vivekananda's teachings centered on the Vedanta philosophy, underscoring the unity of the individual soul with the Supreme Soul. He believed in the divinity of every individual, encapsulated in his phrase, Jiva is Shiva. He also stressed the importance of religious tolerance and the universality of spiritual truths. Despite his untimely demise on July 4, 1902, at the young age of 39, Swami Vivekananda's teachings continued to inspire millions. His life and work were a harmonious blend of Eastern spiritual wisdom and Western progressive thought, making him a timeless symbol of India's rich spiritual heritage.